Hello and welcome to EduCare Live. Let's get started and look into our daily quiz. Let's look into the first question. Who can vote in the election of Vice President? Here the options are Member of Lok Sabha, Member of Rajya Sabha, both option 1 and 2, Member of Legislative Assembly. So we know in case of election of President, member of Rajya Sabha can participate, member of Lok Sabha can participate, and member of Legislative Assembly can participate. But those members are only elected members, not nominated members. But in case of Vice President election, the member of Lok Sabha and member of Rajya Sabha only participate. Here the member of Legislative Assembly not participate, and here elected plus nominated member are both are participated here. So the answer is what? Both option 1 and 2. Okay. So moving to the next question. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Force? Okay, we all know about this. Only one person, he is nothing else, our president. Okay, so moving to the next question. The impeachment of president can be initiated in. So here the impeachment of president initiated in both either house of the parliament. Okay, this is maybe in the Lok Sabha or maybe in Rajya Sabha. But in case of vice president, so the impeachment only can be initiated in Rajya Sabha. Okay. So moving to the next question. What is the minimum age required to become the Vice President of India? Okay. For the Vice President, the minimum age required is 35. Okay. But for the Rajya Sabha candidate, the minimum age required is 30. For Lok Sabha candidate, minimum age required is 25. Okay. And for President and Vice President, the minimum age required is what? 35. So moving to the next question, the Vice President can be removed from his office by what? A resolution of Rajya Sabha passed by an effective majority and agreed to by the Lok Sabha, two-third majority vote of members present and voting in both the house, an executive order of the President of India, two-third majority vote of complete strength in both the house. I already told about this. This is the answer. A resolution of the Rajya Sabha passed by an effective majority and agreed by Lok Sabha. I already told about this. The Vice President removal only can be initiated in the house of Rajya Sabha. Okay, moving to the next question. In the Indian order of precedence, who amongst the following comes first? So he is none other than who? The president. Okay. Moving to the next question. To whom does the president of India submit his resignation? Okay. The options are the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Vice President of India, the Chief Justice of India, the Prime Minister of India. So here the answer is what? The Vice President of India. Moving to the next question. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? So ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha is none other than who? Vice President. Okay. The salary of Vice President for the chairman of Rajya Sabha, not for the Vice President. Okay. Just remember it. Moving to the next question. Who can remove the chairman of the State Public Service Commission? So the chairman can be removed by whom? The president. Okay. So moving to the next question. What is the eligibility criteria for age for election as Vice President of India? Okay, I already told about this. For Lok Sabha candidate 25, Rajya Sabha candidate 30, and for Vice President this is 35, and for president also 35. So here the question asked what? For election of vice president of India, so should have completed the age of what? 35. So here the answer is what? Option 1. So this is our last question, and thank you, all the very best.